channel. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. Now in this video, I'm going to continue on where I stopped from the previous video, where I show you how to get an update of the coin that will be listed on Bybit or any other exchange. How to get update of coin that will be listed, new coin that will be listed on Bybit or any other exchange. You can use the same formula to check for any exchange apart from Bybit. So in my previous video, I show you how to get this update from Bybit interface by using the new tab. If you have not watched the video, go and watch the video by checking the new tab on Bybit interface. Then another way I show you is by using Telegram. Where I told you that you're going to search for the Bybit official Telegram channel. You can see. So I show you how to do that. I said when you check on Telegram, make sure that the original Bybit official channel has a verify mark in blue. In blue color. Now I'm going to show you another way to find new coin that will be listed. Now, and here I'm on Twitter. So if you don't have Twitter, make sure you download Twitter from Play Store. You can also log in through your Chrome browser or any browser that is suitable for your phone. Now I'm currently using my Chrome browser. Now when you come to your Twitter account, so you go to this search bar. So click on this search bar now and type Bybit. Type Bybit, and when you type Bybit, make sure you check down and make sure you check the drop down. Then the one you are going to click is one that will have a verify mark. You can see Bybit has different handle on Twitter, so you can check Bybit, the first one, or Bybit Africa. So I'm going to click on the first one, Bybit. You can see. So you can follow them on their Twitter handle. Now when you are Twitter handle, you can about them. You can see down. Now when you scroll, if there's any coin that will be listed, you are going to see the coin immediately. You are scrolling up. You are going to see the new coin. Now let's scroll up and see any coin that will be listed soon. So make sure you take your time to scroll up. You can see. Now this is you can see Void is now live on. You can see. So the Void that we talked about the other time, you can see that they are telling us where you can find where you can also find it exchange. You can see. Let's scroll up and see what another thing that is trending. So let's scroll up. Now make sure you are taking it slowly so that you not miss it. So take you too far. You want to know update on Twitter, it won't take too far. when you scroll up like this, you will have seen it. You will have it like this. Oh, okay. Let me try another search. Let me try another search. Okay, let's say, okay, let me try another search. You can also search something like this. You can't find it like that. You can also search like this. Okay, let me go to it. Okay, click on this search bar below. You can click on the search bar below here, this place. See, you can click here. So then click on Bybit listing. Bybit listing. Bybit listing. Bybit listing. Bybit listing. It might work. Updates. Sorry for my network is slow here. I'm trying to. I see that the network is slow here. So when you click on that search bar, it will what? Just type Bybit or Bybit listing. Then scroll up like that, the way I show you. So by the time you do that, then you find any update. You find any update on what? On Bybit pertaining to what? Listing. So it will show you the update. So you can see. So it will show you. Let's see what this one will bring for us. But it should be their own verify handle. I think this is not just their one of their promoter. Use this is their what? Is their verify handle that you use. Do not fall for scam. Don't use any other handle apart from their own official handle. So if you are getting value from this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how you can actually do what? I can actually use this coin to make money. You know, when you find a coin, you don't just go to Bybit and start making money like that. No, there's another trick to it, so that you can make a lot of money from it without trading. So thanks for watching. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Bye.